Look at that mga kapatid. Oh, one is team but they have like 1, 2, 3, 4 sunflower in only one steam. Tingnan nyo naman siya. Grabe. Maraming bees. Video tayo. Tingnan nyo naman ang ating different variety of sunflowers. Very nice, ano? Yan. Ang ganda, tingnan mo. Very nice. Yan, tingnan natin, oh. Ang gaganda nila. Wow. Ang ganda. Oh. Diba? Ang ganda. Anong kulay ba to? Look, our sunflower here. Beautiful. Wow. Our sunflower fields. Very beautiful. There's our sunflower. Wow. Look how beautiful are they. Wow. That's all for now. Bye-bye.